Hello guys, my name's Ollie, the youngest and most recently graduated member of the Fish Society. And today I'll be making you a delicious fish finger sandwich that highlights our jumbo battered fish fingers. Also inside of our fish finger sandwich you can find a nice sriracha tartar sauce and a pickled white cabbage for a bit of texture. So let's get cooking. Okay, so step one, we're going to make our pickled white cabbage. That involves finely dicing a quarter of cabbage. So into a bowl I put our finely diced cabbage. Now we're going to add some sliced chilies. Next up, put a good pinch of salt in. So next into the bowl we're going to put some lemon juice. And finally just the zest of half a lemon. Give it a mix and then leave to one side to let it pickle. Next we're moving on to our sriracha tartar sauce. Excellent sounds, and you can keep that in as well. Big dollop of sriracha in there. And now add your diced shallots, cornichons and capers to the mix. And a bit of dill. And give it all a mix. Now onto our jumbo battered fish fingers. Just look at the size of these bad boys. First I like to give my fish fingers a little bit of seasoning. Damn, look how crispy they are. And now we're on to construction. So I like to start with a little layer of the sriracha tartar on both sides of the bread. It can be as thin or thick of a spread as you like. Usually I like a little bit of a thick spread. And now just a nice little handful of our pickled white cabbage on the bottom. Finally, let's put our fish fingers on. As friend of the Fish Society, Gordon Ramsay would say, never slice on the angle. Just look at that.